I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not being available. Now, if you can't access it from your phone, you might need to access it from your desktop like I'm doing right now. Now, I'm going to test if my marketplace works. See if I click on it and you can see it'll appear like this, right? Now, if this doesn't work, first off, I'm going to show you how you can manually get to the marketplace. First off, check if you can access it from this link here, facebook.com, and then slash marketplace like this, marketplace, and then slash again. And then press on enter. Make sure there's no typo or anything like that. And you can see right now, I can't access it because there's a typo here. So make sure there's no typo. Tap on marketplace here, give it a T, and then it should work like now. See, now this works. Now make sure there's no typo and make sure there's nothing wrong with this, right? Now, if this doesn't work, you can try a couple of things like re-signing and then signing out again and then re-signing in again. Now, there's also a couple of reasons why it might not work. I'm going to show you a couple of the requirements you need to do if you actually need to access Marketplace. If you don't meet any of this requirement, then you will not be able to access the Facebook Marketplace. Anything other than this, it might be a problem on Facebook's end or either a glitch, and there's nothing you can do about it, then just wait.